Hi, my name is Goodluck. Welcome to Radiant Minds Academy. In this video, I will walk you through on the concept of logarithmic equation, a very important concept in mathematics, and it is widely used to solve different kinds of problems. And in this video, we will learn how to solve logarithmic equation. Watch to the end so that you will be able to solve any kind of logarithmic equation. So number one says, solve the following equation: log of x raised to the power 4 to base 2 plus log s to base 2 equal to 5. So first of all, let's start with number one. So number one says log x raised to the power 4 to base 2 plus log s to base 2 equal to 5. The first thing we do here is that we apply the addition law. Our expression becomes log s raised to the power 4 times s all in base 2 equal to 5. And here, this can be expressed as log x raised to the power 5 in base 2 equal to 5. Now, if you watch, we have log s raised to the power 5 to base 2 equal to 5. So we have to put our right hand side also in logarithmic form. So therefore, our expression becomes log s raised to the power 5 in base 2 equal to log 2 to base 2 all raised to the power of 5. Because if this 5 multiply this logarithm, log 2 to base 2 is equal to 1. So therefore, 5 times 1 is what? Is 5. So this is the right way to express the value of our 5. So since log 2 and log 2 are of the same base, then their numbers should be equal. So therefore, we can write that s to the power 5 is equal to 2 raised to the power of 5. Now, if the bases are the same, we equate the powers. Now, if the powers are the same, we have to what? Equate the bases. So 5 here and 5 here are their powers. So therefore, s is equal to 2. Since their powers are equal, then their bases should be equal. That is the answer. So from here, you see, it's just a two-step. All we did was, the first time is that we took our addition law of indices, and from there, we have to make the right hand side to look like the left hand side. And we achieve that by having log 2 to base 2. And because log 2 are similar in both left hand side and right hand side, the numbers equate themselves. So therefore, we have x raised to the power 5 equal to 2 raised to the power 5. And since their powers are equal, then their bases should be equal. So s is equal to 2. Let's solve number 2 question together. Now for number 2, we're given that log 4 raised to the power 2x to base 2 is equal to log 27 raised to the power of x minus 1 in base 3. The first thing we do here is that we have to express 4 and 27 as the power of their base. So therefore, our equation becomes log of 2 raised to the power 2 all raised to the power of 2x to base 2 equal to log of 3 raised to the power 3 all raised to the power of x minus 1 in base 3. So therefore, from here I can write that this becomes log 2 raised to the power of 4x in base 2 equal to log 3. This will be 3 times s is 3s. 3 times negative 1 is negative 3, or in base 3. So we know that from our index law of logarithm, we can write that this becomes 4x multiplied by log 2 to base 2 equal to 3x minus 3 multiplied by log 3 to base 3. And we know that from our laws of logarithm, that logarithm to its base is equal to 1. So therefore, we have that 4x is equal to 3x minus 3. So from here, we can collect left terms. So we have that to be 4x minus 3x equal to minus 3. So 4s minus 3s is equal to s. This is equal to minus 3. So therefore, the value of s in this logarithmic equation is equal to negative 3. That is the answer. Very simple. Please, if you know you found value in this video, don't forget to subscribe and like the video. If there is any step we took you didn't understand, please drop a question in the comment section. And also share the video, and I will see you in the next one. Thank you so much.